Ever wished you could easily transfer files to and from your iPhone, like you can with a computer? Well, you can, today. We're going to show you how to use a USB flash drive with your iPhone first. You'll need a few things: your iPhone, of course, a USB flash drive, and most importantly, a Lightning to USB adapter. This little adapter is the key to the whole operation, so make sure you have one. Next, plug the USB flash drive into the adapter, and then connect the adapter to your iPhone's Lightning port. Once connected, your iPhone will recognize the USB drive. Now, the fun begins. To access your USB drive, open the Files app on your iPhone. This app is your central hub for all things file management. In the Files app, you should see the name of your USB drive listed under Locations. If you don't, try giving it a minute or two, and make sure the drive is properly connected. Tapping on the drive name will display the files stored on it. From here, you can copy, move, or even delete files. To transfer files from your USB drive to your iPhone, simply select the files you want to move and choose the Copy or Move function. Then, navigate to a folder on your iPhone, for instance, the Photos app or the Downloads folder, and paste them there. You can also transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to the USB drive the same way. This is particularly useful if you are running low on internal storage or want to securely back up your files. And that's it. You can now easily manage your data between your iPhone and a USB flash drive.